there, George. Lovely job. Lovely stuff. Right, do you want to have a photo with George while we wait for Peppa? Yeah. Do you want to do that? Awesome stuff. And if we give a big cheesy grin this way. Lovely job. Have you been on any of the rides yet?
We've been quite a few attractive ones, haven't we?
What's been your favourite one? Air balloon. Oh, Peppa likes that one. You get dizzy on that one, don't you, George? Yeah. Whoa. Awesome stuff. Awesome stuff. We look this way. Give a big cheesy grin for me. Lovely. Can you give a high five to George? Oh, cheeky George. Oh, no. Cheeky. Oh, good high five, George. Whoa. Hey, well done. Well done. Where are you planning to go after this? Got any more rides you'd like to go on?
I've got a few on there, haven't we?
Have you been on the dinosaurs yet? The dinosaur ride. You can go on a dinosaur ride. It's George's dinosaur ride, isn't it? You want to go on that, George? I don't know if you've been on the dinosaurs, George. Oh, we might have to make a big one especially for you. Should I tell them? Should I tell them to make one for you? I will tell them. I will tell them. Right. Right, do you want to wait for Peppa? Yeah. Just wait for Peppa. Oh, look at George. George is friggin' in his bottom. What is George doing? He's a funny piggy, isn't he, George? Oh, who's that? I think that might be Peppa. Should we have a look? Oh, and Peppa's in that bottom. Come on, Peppa. Come on out and say hello. Awesome. Give a hug to Peppa. Lovely job. If Peppa, you go back, stand in your corner. If you say already there, superstar, and if you give a big cheesy grin for me. Lovely stuff. Yes, of course.
Come on, Bob.
Come on, George. You go there in the middle.
Awesome. Smile over this way. Lovely job.
Thank you, George.
Couple on there for you. We say bye-bye now.
All right, thanks a lot.